L-Star is right of the Pilaran City Bohol, powered by Dance Soundworks, and Team Champion and Team Solid. And syempre, JPB Audio Masek, the pride of Bunsoan Dumano Capiz, powered by Drop Soundworks and Hurricane Products by Mr. John Ray Foras Asisor. Sa likod sa tanan, yan Mark Patanaw and Christian Pama. At syempre kay Mr. John Ray Asisor. Check na doon sa L-Star just from a while. Ano sa atin sa official quality part 6. Next, JPP. Alam ka man eh, pag-isambok pa. Okay, so once again, JPP and L-Star, ready, 3, 2, 1.